Galaxy S25 Ultra leaks and rumors. With 2024 wrapping up, all eyes are now on 2025, and the first major tech giant to kick off the new year will be Samsung. In January, Samsung is expected to unveil its highly anticipated Galaxy S25 series, and the star of the show will undoubtedly be the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Design highlights: a bold new look. Leaked images, including some from the trusted tipster ICE universe, suggest Samsung is making a striking change to the camera design. The S25 Ultra might feature unique, bold black circles around its camera lenses, reminiscent of the Galaxy Z Fold 6, but with its own distinct twist. These new camera rings, though more prominent, seem to offer extra protection and a fresh aesthetic flair that's sure to turn heads. And guess what? These changes might extend across the entire S25 lineup, giving all three models a sleek, unified look. Bigger screen, more power. One of the biggest upgrades? The screen size. Rumors indicate the S25 Ultra will boast a slightly larger 6.86-inch display, thanks to ultra-thin bezels. Expect a more immersive experience, whether you're gaming, streaming, or multitasking. Plus, the new Ultra could come with 16 GB of RAM, making it a powerhouse compared to its predecessor, which had 12 GB. Camera tech, what's new? When it comes to the camera, Samsung is playing it smart with subtle improvements. The S25 Ultra is expected to retain its impressive 200MP primary camera, but leaks suggest we might see an upgrade to the ultra-wide lens with a 50MP sensor. This means sharper, more vibrant wide-angle shots. The periscope zoom feature will also stay strong with a 50MP 5x zoom, allowing for crystal-clear zoom shots. One UI 7 and release date. On the software front, One UI 7 is set to be a game-changer. With public betas launching by the end of 2024, Samsung has confirmed that the stable version of One UI 7 will debut alongside the Galaxy S25 series. This points to a release date in early 2025, following Samsung's usual January-February schedule. So mark your calendars. Galaxy S25 Note? Here's an interesting twist. Some leaks suggest that Samsung might rename its Ultra variant as the Galaxy S25 Note, and the Plus model could become the S25 Pro. If this happens, it would mark a shift in Samsung's flagship lineup, perhaps positioning the S25 Pro as a more feature-packed model compared to the regular Plus variant. But for now, these are just rumors, so take them with a grain of salt. With all these exciting leaks and rumors, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be a must-have device for tech enthusiasts. Whether it's the cutting-edge camera design, larger display, or the powerful One UI 7 software, Samsung is clearly setting the stage for a spectacular 2025.